Hi, welcome to another video. My name is Gaby Lopez.
And Jesus Valenzuela. Today we're in Puerta del Sol. These condominiums are located within Cabo del Sol, and we want to show you this 2-bedroom condo.
Yes, this area is perfect. It's just 15 minutes from Cabo San Lucas. You have access to the beach. It's the new luxury villas where you're gonna find a lot of shops. And also the whole place has a lot of amenities, so it's a great location.
Yes, and Cabo del Sol is a community that's been growing a lot, so there's a lot of value to be made. As Gabby mentioned, the Anima Village, which is a new shopping luxury avenue, but also the new Hyatt, the Four Seasons, the whole Soho House Beach Club. Lots of development coming into the area, so it's a great opportunity to buy.
Yes.
Come on with us.
Jesus, the coffee is ready. This condo is completely renovated. It's
Gracias.
beautiful and it's turnkey.
Yes, this condo is 2,300 square feet in total and is listed for $1,380,000. For more information, make sure to contact us. Thank you for watching.